in the level.
Yeah. Because, like, I don't think anyone wants to watch me fucking play from 24 for like 5 hours straight.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Alright. Victor, can you look at my screen share for a sec?
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god.
Yay.
Holy fuck, Vikings. If I was there with you right now,
What would you do?
I don't think I could say it.
It's not appropriate, is it? Alright. That's pretty good.
List, at least.
Alright, nice.
Oh, dude, holy fuck. Dude, I saw you get to the end and I fucking was like, oh, what run did he do? And I saw the stars out of the corner. I'm like, there's no fucking way.
Yup.